step into the 2012 Dodge Avenger SE. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are driver airbag, power windows, driver vanity mirror, security system, bucket seats, power mirror, automatic headlights, and MP3 player. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.